Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a unboxing video for you guys. I ordered this stuff off of e-bike and it weighs 5 pounds. I'm not quite sure how much it all costs. It was up in like the 300s or 400 range. I should be getting some more stuff coming in the mail over the couple of next days, I think Monday. But so let's get into it. I got my Swiss Army knife that I got from Switzerland. So up. Alright, I suck at unboxing. Okay, let's put this away. Okay, so I'm going to. Yep. Okay, so I got my papers right here. Now, first product is a K-Tech amplifier. In black. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let it focus real quick. It's a K-Tech amplifier for my VFC. It's a HPA, so it should be making like better noise, you know. So this was about like 30 bucks or so. I was gonna get gold to match something. I'll show you guys. So put that right there. So a little booklet right here, and I got this for something in there. This was a AW custom. I'm not sure if this will fit on it, but this was about like 25 bucks. So I'll put that right there as well. Let me move the knife. Okay. So I also got a 50 round WE magazine. As you guys can kind of tell, it's kind of giving away, but of what the main product is. Let's move this box. So I got the Tokyo upside down. I got the Tokyo Marui Gold Match High Kappa 5.1, and this box already feels really nice. Now I'm gonna be fully customizing this Gold Match to like my standard. I'm gonna probably be replacing the slide soon until like it kind of cracks, as they say. I'm also gonna be putting this on the bottom of the magwell. So let's open this. You get soon. Let me move the camera. Alright, cool. So so out of the box we kind of got like a split thing. So we got paper here, just kind of like all in Chinese. Ooh, it comes with grip, some no slip grip tape. That's cool. Alright, so we got the Gold Match in the box. This is really nice packaging. So it comes with some high cap gold match. I think these are BBs. I think these are BBs. I'm not sure. Yeah, these are 6.6 multi cap. Yeah, these are BBs. Okay. So, and then it comes with a standard TM magazine, 25. I think it holds 25 rounds. So pretty nice. And then the gun itself, I think that's all that's in here. So here is the TM Gold Match. This thing feels really nice. Dang. It has the extended mag release right there. What's going on? I think I have it on safety. No? Okay, I'm not sure what that was. I'm not quite sure why it's doing that. I'll have to look into that, but comes with your tape. Let's take this off because it looks ugly. I'll put it on probably whenever I'm like moving around. Okay. So take that off, and then let's take off all this tape. So let's actually I'm gonna fill up some gas and into here, and I'll kind of just shoot it blank just to show you guys how much power it has. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I loaded it up and I took off the stickers. So here it is. The orange tip I'll be taking off as well. So I'm just gonna shoot it like kind of blank. Alright, and I'm all out of gas. pretty nice. I like the weight to it. It's not really that heavy, so it's not really heavy, but the slide, it has a like really nice kick to it. I don't know why it goes back and like sticks. Okay, there you go. But I like the hammer. I like all the metal features and stuff. I'll probably be getting a gold mag release as well, and I got a TLR H1 sight up here. So here the I'm not sure if you guys can. Let me try to focus that. I'll do like a more in-depth video on this. But so yeah, guys. So I got the So let's open up the 50 round mag. That goes. It's a WE 50 round mag for this TM. Here we go. So 50 round, like you can kind of tell. Make sure it fits in there. So yeah, there we go. It's pretty nice. I mean, I might tap these. I'm not quite sure yet, because I'm gonna be doing a competition at CQB City March. I think 25th or 26th. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. The gold match TM high kappa. I will be doing another video, a shooting test and a review of all the internals and stuff. We got a 50 round WE mag for the gold match, and a Cake Tech amplifier for my VFC. HX flared magwell gold, gold colored for my TM high kappa. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. This is gonna be going with my kind of like a dye i4 kind of like gold black match kind of loadout, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a like, comment whatever you guys want to see from me next, like gameplay or some kind of another unboxing video, or just whatever.